guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another review on the new Bad Gal Bang Mascara. So if you want to see how this product works, then just keep watching. So I sound kind of weird. I'm a little sick. I'm still getting over it, even though it's been 2 weeks. I still don't fully have my voice back. It's pretty much back, but it's not all the way, which sucks. But anyways, so this is a product that we're testing today. This is the Benefit Cosmetics 36-Hour Full Blast Volume Bad Gal Bang Mascara. That's a mouthful. So this product retails for $24. I purchased mine at Ulta. I believe it's just sold anywhere Benefit is sold. So this is what the packaging looks like. So it's just a soft matte black finish, and then it has kind of like studs on the cap. And then as you'll see right here, this is what the wand actually looks like. It is very flexible, which I feel like is really nice. So I have worn this all day. This is me after work. It is 7 o'clock at night and I put this on at 7 in the morning, so this is what it looks like after this. I'm gonna go ahead and show you right now me applying the mascara. So as you'll see, it goes on really nicely. It says that the wand is meant for an easy root to tip, corner to corner, upper and lower lashes to be able to get to all of those. It says it's the 360 design. So as you'll see, it coats them nicely. I did do one coat and then I go in again with the second coat. So that's what you'll see as I'm applying it. It is pretty liquidy compared to some of the other mascaras that I use. It didn't cause a problem that it was liquidy. I'm just saying it is more liquidy, or more liquidy than other mascaras that I've used. The current one that I'm obsessed with, that I've been using a lot, is the Lancome Mademoiselle Big or something like that, or no, Monsieur Big, something like that. That's the one I use a lot now. And so when I'm comparing it, I'm kind of comparing it to that in my head as far as the consistency. So this product comes with 0.3 ounce, which I think is pretty typical for a mascara. I don't know why I can't remember what this is called. Also, I have a new setup. It doesn't look any different to you, but there's lights everywhere and there's foil everywhere, so it's like really blinding. So if I'm squinting a lot, I'm sorry. I'm just trying to get accustomed to this. But anyways, so this is, like I said, after I've worn it pretty much full 12 hours. There is no fallout. It did not cake up, or it did not crack and fall off, which I do have some that do that. I still think that the length is still there. I don't really see anything that's changed. As you saw in the scene where I was putting it on, it is perfectly fine as a first coater, but I'm obsessed with long lashes, so I like it better when it's 2 coats. This eye for some reason is more like my troublesome eye. I don't know why. It doesn't sit as high as this one does, like curl wise. So this one is always my problem, is trying to match it to this eye. I could just curl my lashes, but in the morning I don't have time to do that, so I don't want to do it. So I noticed this one, the lashes kind of stuck together more. If you just wiggle the brush back and forth, it separated them nicely. So I didn't really have a problem with them clumping. I think it's a really good mascara. So the claims on this, let me just tell you, because I guess I didn't say that. It's a 36-hour wear. I'm not obviously gonna test that, but for 12 hours it definitely did hold up. It's gravity defying formula, massive volume without weighing down your lashes. I would say that's true after it dries. So I think, because like I said, this eye is my more troublesome, so I probably put more layers on this eye. It did feel a little heavy for probably 10 minutes, and then after the 10 minutes I don't even notice it. This feels like my normal mascara feels like. Layers easily for bigger and bigger impact. I do believe that. So they have aero particles, which is one of the lightest known materials used in astronaut spacesuits, which is really interesting and cool. It's weird and cool. So I would definitely say they are bigger, and I'd say if you apply more towards the base, you can definitely get the volume, but you can also do a lighter layer so that it's not as thick. So I think you could definitely mess with this to get it to the way you like it. So overall, I think it's a really good product and I would definitely recommend it. That's all I have for this video, so thank you for watching and I will see you in my next one.